Is the moss on your roof starting to look like this? How about you let Bellingham Window and Gutter make it look like this? Wood shingles? Not a problem. Or how about the before and after here? Another before and after? Or how about this roof here? Every portion of this roof was done by hand. We do not pressure wash the roof as it ruins the integrity of the shingles. Of course, we can make your windows shine as well. Gutter cleaning? No problem at all. Whether it be roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing, or window cleaning, give Bellingham Window and Gutter a call. 360-325-1882.